Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where we talk about everything that is yarn and crochet related. So thank you for joining me. First off, I do have a tutorial for the hat I am wearing. You will find that on my YouTube channel. It is called my Stitch Sampler Beanie. And yes, I just so happen to have a tutorial for that blanket that's sitting on my chair. You can also find that as well on my channel. It is called my Secret Windows Blanket. You'll also find well over 1,100 crochet tutorials, and they are all free for you to enjoy. All I ask is that you hit that subscribe button, and of course that's free too. Everything on my channel is free, so enjoy them tutorials and enjoy this yarn content that I'm getting ready to show you. Alright, so this is a video about yarn. It's probably not going to be very long. Well, I have intentions of it not being very long, but sometimes I talk a lot. If you're new to my channel, you're going to learn I talk a lot, and I'm sorry about that. And I sing too in my videos, even though I can't sing. So, the other day, last week, someone told me that Yarn Inspirations was having like a killer deal. They had some mystery boxes, and it had like, supposedly, I read the comments, it had like 18 balls of Caron Simply Soft for $25. That's like $1.40 a ball. How could you pass that up? You couldn't. I couldn't. Who could? No one could pass that up. But it did tell you what colors in the description box was in it. There was like 3 balls of 6 different colors. I mean, that's a killer deal. That is a killer deal. And it was from yarnspirations.com. Now, I did make a video of it telling everybody, because every time I hear about or see a good yarn deal, I like to tell everybody, because everybody likes a good yarn deal. And unfortunately, it did sell out really fast after my video. I did get a little bit of negative feedback from that. And I'm sorry that people that missed out. But that's why I always encourage you to make sure your notifications are turned on and they're set to receive all notifications. That way, it'll pop up on your phone or whatever device you're using that Bagoday just put out a great yarn deal, and then you won't miss out next time. Well, hopefully. All right, let's see what we got. I share the good yarn deals, and you know, they go fast. They go fast. I'm sorry. It is what it is, you know? It is what it is. But I'm going to show you what I got. I also got a couple of different things. Oh my gosh, they had this new ball of Red Heart yarn. I just had to get it. You wait till you see it. For the simple joy I think it's going to bring me just by looking at it. So I'm pretty excited about that. All right. Whoa! Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. All right, this was the ball of Red Heart yarn that I got. This is not what I ordered. Okay. Yarn Inspirations. I will contact them, and they will make it right. Okay, so they had this new ball of Red Heart yarn that had almost 2,000 yards of yarn in it. This is not it. This is just the regular ball of yarn. They charged me $20 for this. Because I ordered the humongous new ball that they had, and I was so excited to see how big of a ball of Red Heart was. It was going to bring me so much joy, and I bought it in red. That's why I wore my red shirt, because I thought it would match. And I was going to whip that sucker out. It was supposed to be as big as my head, but they sent me the wrong thing. So this is not what I ordered. It will have to go back, or they will refund me my $20, or I'm sending that back, because I'm not paying what they charge for that on Yarn Inspirations, because I can get it at Walmart for like way cheaper. Anyways, that was messed up. I did get this though, and I hope it's not messed up. I was pretty excited to see that. Let me see what they sent me. They did. It says that they sent me the big ball. You know what? I don't blame them though, because after my video, they probably got bombarded with orders, and it was probably a simple mistake. That's what I'm going to chalk it up as. This is supposed to be a 1,000-gram ball of Red Heart Super Saver, and it is a 396-gram ball. So you can see how my excitement was built up, and then when I opened the box, it deflated. I can get this, like I said, I can get this at Walmart every day, all day, for $7, and they charged me $20 because they were supposed to send the $20 ball of 2,000 yards almost. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. Yarn Inspirations will fix it, because Yarn Inspirations, in my experience with Yarn Inspirations, they've always fixed their faults. Actually, it was only one time, but I had a fault with their yarn. They did fix it. So we'll take care of, we'll do that. So I did get this as well. Super excited to get this. I love flecked yarn. Flecking yarn is flecking awesome. I always say it's flecking awesome. So, okay. This is the Bernat Premium Tweeds. I like Bernat yarn. As far as I like their regular Bernat value yarn, premium, whatever. Unfortunately, now I love this. I love this a lot. I love the color black. Black is beautiful. I can't use it in my videos. That's what's unfortunate. So when I crochet something with it, I have to use a separate color to do a tutorial on. They had a brown flecked. I wanted it really, really bad, and it was sold out. I haven't looked elsewhere, but I'm sure I'll find it somewhere. But for now, I settle for the black because I love the black fleck. Look, it's got brown and white flecks in it. So this was, they had a deal on this. I forgot what it was. Buy 3, get one free, or buy 3, get 30% off. That might have been what it was. I don't know. Anyways, I bought 6 of these because I'm going to make a wearable. Doing a lot of wearables this year. In case you haven't noticed, I've been pushing them out. Today is 10/20 of 2023. It's 97 acrylic and 3% viscose, medium weight number 4. There we go. Nice 4. It's good 4 weight. I mean, it's normal 4 weight for me. I like it. Works good. I mean, I've had this before, of course, but I haven't had it in a long, long time. And I saw it, and I'm like, I might as well throw some in the cart since I'm ordering from Yarn Inspirations. Made in Turkey. It's black tweed. I wish I could have got the brown. Of course, the brown was sold out. They had a blue too. I think it was sold out as well. But I really wanted that brown. But I'll find it elsewhere. I will find it elsewhere. If not, I know my Loops and Threads Impeccable from Michaels has a whole bunch of flecked yarn like this in different colors. And they have a brown one. That's very, very similar to the Bernat one. It's possibly could be the same. I swear all these yarns are the same with different labels slapped on them. Anyways, what's the yardage? 360 yards or 329 meters. 360 yards. I bought 6, and I have, what I said, 300 and what? I have a short-term memory too. If you're new, you will learn that. I really do. I have a memory problem. It's very short-term. 360, 369. Okay, yeah. I bought enough to buy what I wanted to make. Now, let's look at those mystery boxes. Now, remember, this was, I did the video, and I told everybody about it, and you know, whatnot. So hopefully you know, you made it there. So it was 18 balls, and I think they were just trying to get rid of them. I don't know. It told you the colors at the Count Simply Soft, and it was like 25 bucks. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, how can anybody pass that up? I can't pass that up. I can't pass it up. So the colors that it came with. Okay, so I'm a little disappointed in Yarn Inspirations again because I ordered 2 of those boxes and they only sent me 1, but yet they still did charge me. That's a disappointment because now I know they do not have any more. For some reason, it says, you need to return your order. Please reach out to customer care. I don't need to return my order. I need you to send me what I ordered. What a disappointment this has been. That's okay. I'll show you what is in this one mystery box. Even though I ordered 2 and got charged for it, I only received 1. But I got all this for $25. So it was 3 balls of Caron Simply Soft. I'm not going to open them because some of these I will not keep. I needed 2 boxes because it has a color in it that I need for a blanket. And I didn't have enough here to do it. That's okay. I can order it elsewhere. Not for $1.40 a ball, but anyways. So this is the Light Country Peach. I think this is, I'll open it because you can't see jack squat in these like white colored bags. Man, that's a disappointment. Your inspirations? I know I said I don't blame them, but you got this wrong and then you got something else wrong. Whatever. I'll get it fixed. So you got 3 balls of this one. Beautiful peach. I have things made out of this on my channel. Now these are the regular size balls of Caron Simply Soft. 100% acrylic, medium weight, number 4, 315 yards. Okay? 3 of those. Love them. And we got just 3 whites it came with, so I'm not going to open that. And then we got 3 this is persimmon, I think. I think it's a very pretty color. Is it persimmon? Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at the shine on Caron Simply Soft. 3 of those. 3 of this one, which I made my daughter a baby dress out of this when she was maybe about 3. It's on my channel. You can find it. This pink, beautiful. It's called Soft Pink. And then I got 3 golds, which I just recently purchased gold for a blanket from Mary Maxim, but I had no idea that Your Inspiration was going to have these. But I got 3 of the golds. Beautiful, beautiful. I can find another use for it. I love the color gold. It's very pretty. And then I got 3. This is the one that I needed 2 boxes of because I needed 6 balls of this to make. I have a blanket, a cable blanket I want to make with the cable pattern that I don't have on my channel. And I seen in one of my totes of yarns that I had 5 balls of it, I think. And I needed more because 5 was not going to be enough to do a cable blanket. So I thought, oh my gosh, the color I want, this is my favorite color of Caron Simply Soft, the Victorian Rose. I have a lot of stuff made out of this. And I seen that it was in this box that it averaged out to be like $1.41, $1.42 a ball. And I'm like, I'm going to get 2 of those. And then I'll have 6 here, including my 4 I have, and I'll be able to make my blanket. Now, I don't have enough now. That's okay. Like I said, they sell this everywhere. That's all right. It's just the fact that I know when I message Your Inspirations, they're gonna say, hey, we're out of those boxes. You're gonna have to pay full price now. That's okay. I'll pay full. Well, I won't pay full price. I'll buy it at Mary Maxim or Hirschner's when it's on sale. And this one though was a big, like I said, I had my hopes up. I was so excited to see that 1,000-gram ball of red heart that I paid $20 for just to see how big it was. And my excitement just went, that's just a regular jumbo ball. Come on, they sent me the wrong ball and they still charge me $20 for this. That's okay. So, although I am happy that I got one of the mystery boxes for $25, 18 balls is extremely for $25 is an extremely good deal. And you know, I love all the colors. And I love the black brunette. I have something planned for that. A little disappointed about that red Super Saver. Whenever I seen that it was delivered today, I'm like, oh yes, I'm putting on my red shirt because I knew the ball that I caught was red. I'm gonna see how big it is. And then it wasn't. But I'm not mad. at Yarn Inspirations. I don't get mad at yarn companies. Well, unless they don't correct my order. But I know Yarn Inspirations will make good on this, at least. They'll send me the right one. Now, mystery boxes, they're sold out. They won't be able to do anything about that. It is what it is. I got one, and I'm super happy that I was able to get one. And like I said, even though it was a good deal to get all that yarn for like $1.40 something a ball, I really wanted these colors to start a cable blanket. Like I said, of a cable that I don't have on my channel at the moment. And I'll just get them May Maximum or Hirschner's when they're on sale. And that'll be that. It won't be $1.40 a ball, but you know what? I can handle the buy. I can buy 3 more. So to complete my project. So this was fun, even though there were moments of disappointment and disbelief. It was so fun, and I can't wait to get to crocheting with that black yarn. I think the wearable that I'm going to make, I hope that you enjoy it. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn those notifications on so you don't miss out, because I do share yarn deals, extremely good ones anyways, and they usually go in an instant. And I do share yarn, you know, new yarn unboxings and yarn unboxings in generals and other good deals. And I also do share tons of tutorials, so make sure you check them out as well. I'm pumping them out this year. Everybody wanted wearables. Wearables you want? Actually, I took a poll. It was wearables and blankets. Wearables and blankets you want? Wearables and blankets you shall receive this winter and this fall. Bagoday will not disappoint. I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Take care.